maybe. Okay, say it again. Oh, Selah, you look so beautiful. Oh, wait. I did it wrong. Okay,
Levi.
wait, one more time, okay?
Can you say,
Okay,
Levi,
let's talk to Aunt
can you say
Gigi.
cheese?
Alright, Selah, here. Talk to Aunt Gigi. Say, hi, Aunt Gigi.
Hi,
Can
Kiki.
you tell her thank you for the costume?
Thank you for the costume.
You like it?
Yeah.
Is it super awesome?
Yeah.
What are you?
And a dog.
Can you back up so I can see the whole thing? Oh, wow.
Levi,
Oh,
Levi, what are you?
hold on, we
A
got
Pooh Bear.
A Pooh Bear. Can you say, hey, Aunt Gigi, thank you for the costume. Pretty good.
Okay, Selah.
Hey, can you smile for the camera? Smile. Smile, big smile. Look.
Levi, come here. Levi, can you smile?
Okay. Can you blow a kiss? Say I love you. Okay, blow a kiss. Say right here. Blow a kiss, baby.
Hey, Levi, can you
Say
smile?
I love you.